Hi everyone, welcome to AK System channel. Today we will learn hatching object. We can use the hatch to fill in enclosed area with a hatch pattern or color to increase the clarity and legibility of a drawing. Firstly, click on the hatch or just type hatch for the hatch command and you will see this hatch editor. Now, just click this pick point and select the area or object that you want to fill in. There are many types of hatch patterns here, and if you want to fill in a solid color or gradient, just select it from here, and then choose the color or pattern that you want. You can also choose different colors from here, or click more colors to get more choices. After that, just press enter to finish it. Now I'm going to choose this pattern. You can see it's different with the preview above because the scale is too small. So we need to increase the scale. And now you can see the gap is bigger when I increase the scale to 100. And if you want a line straight, you can adjust the angle at here. The current inclined angle is considered as 0. So to make it straight, you have to adjust it to 45. You can also adjust the transparency of the hatch by dragging this bar or entering a value. You might notice that after you hatch an area and you want to change the boundaries of the area, but the hatch pattern will still remain the same. So in this case, you have to take this associative option first when you are hatching an area. Let's do it again. Now, you can see the hatch will change with the boundaries together. Now, when I try to hatch this unclosed rectangle, an error will pop out. So, in this case, you have to go to option and increase the gap tolerance value. Now, let's try to hatch again. A warning will still pop up and just click continue hatching. Now we have successfully hatched this unclosed rectangle. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed it, subscribe to the AK System channel to watch the full list of AutoCAD tutorials. See you next time.